Domestic violence is probably one of the most tragic things that come through our office. It has generational impact, and often it is a result of past generations' practice. The first thing a victim of domestic violence needs to do is get to a safe place, whether that's a hotel or other family members or a domestic violence shelter. You got to get safe. Second thing is you need to call either an attorney or an advocate to help you file protection orders. Essentially, they create a law that prevents the person who abused you from coming within a certain distance. And unlike other court orders, the police can enforce this immediately. So legal representation can help either the alleged victim or the alleged perpetrator. For the alleged victim, legal representation will help you flesh out the entire incident so that you can show the court not only is your fear reasonable because of the exact details of this last thing that happened, but also it's reasonable because of the history that you have. And legal representation can help you get enough details and enough substance to your statement to help the judge see that it really is necessary to put this order in place. First thing to do if you're accused of domestic violence is really to seek an attorney. Legal representation will help an alleged perpetrator show that either the events that are talked about didn't happen by mustering the evidence and organizing it so that you show that this didn't happen. It was an isolated incident or it was an accident, something that will not be repeated and has never happened in the past. Also, legal representation can help both victims and perpetrators manage any other secondary effects of a domestic violence order on, say, children or careers or reputation. Unfortunately, we have quite a bit of experience with domestic violence issues. They come up a lot. They're not always substantiated, but they do seem to come up a lot. Sometimes they're used as an excuse to get an advantage in child custody disputes. Sometimes they're hidden and they're not told to the attorney until maybe a ways into the case. But they do tend to pop up and they really do affect how the case needs to be handled.